Hello guys, it's been about a year since I did my last YouTube video. I'm going to start trying to put one up about once a week. So right now this is my truck. I just got it about 2 weeks ago. Just waxed it. I love it. Got black wheels for it. On the fronts there Kelly Safaris on the fronts, and Bridgestone Dueler APTs on the back. We got those ones at a storage unit, and they are really old actually, but they look brand new. Yeah, I really love this truck. It's really nice. I'll start it up for you real quick. Yeah, it sounds real nice, but it's a little bit quiet. There's the tread on the back tires. It sounds real nice, it's just pretty quiet, so I'm going to get a cherry bomb for it in a couple weeks. I'll post a video of that. So for now, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah.